Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to cancel your ExxonMobil credit card in 2025. Whether you're looking to simplify your finances, switch to a better rewards card, or just cut back on unnecessary expenses, canceling a credit card can be a smart move. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and without any hassle. First things first, before you cancel, make sure you've checked your account for any outstanding balances or pending transactions. The last thing you want is surprise fees, so log into your ExxonMobil credit card account online via their website or app. Once you're in, review your statement to ensure everything is paid up. If you have a balance, pay it off completely to avoid interest charges. Next, contact ExxonMobil's customer service to initiate the cancellation. You can call the number on the back of your card or visit their website for a live chat option. When you reach an agent, they'll ask for your account details and personal information to verify your identity, so have your card handy and be ready to answer a few security questions. Clearly state that you want to cancel your card, and ask for confirmation of the closure date. One important tip: if your ExxonMobil card is issued through a partner like Citibank, you might need to follow their specific procedures, but the process is usually the same. Also, keep an eye out for any annual fees you've already paid. They might not be refundable. After cancellation, make sure you destroy the physical card to prevent any unauthorized use. Finally, once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation email or letter. That's it, you're free. Canceling your card doesn't have to be stressful, and it could save you money in the long run. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.